How to use the listening and reading activities. Available for select languages and chapters, you'll see two new skill-focused activities, listening and reading. Let's first take a look at listening activities. On the left-hand side, you'll notice the listening portion. At the top, you'll see a breakdown of the words in this activity. There are two new words that have not been introduced yet. Clicking reveals a word bank with pronunciation and translations. You can listen to each line individually by clicking the play button, or you can listen to the entire passage by clicking down below. Turn on the text with the Show Text icon. You can do this line by line or for the entire passage. Then, answer the comprehension questions. Clicking on the answer will show immediate feedback for both correct and incorrect answers. Exiting and looking at the reading activity, it offers the same content as the listening activity, but with visual support. Hover over the black text for phonetic pop-ups, and hover over the orange text for translations in context. Listening and reading activities. Two ways to advance your language skills.